Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some roblox with Nathan.
Hey, I am Speed. He's gonna try beating me when I am Speed.
Anyways, let's load in my rounding and do some editing to it, to the thrusters. Ow, ow,
All
owie.
I have to do is add some thrusters to be Speed. Am I right, Satchel?
Yes.
I am Speed.
How do you make these work, Nathan?
Okay. I messed up the I am Speed. Satchel, are you gonna try being Speed too?
Nathan, how the heck do you make these work?
Being Speed work?
The thrusters. Like, how the heck do you make it change to be like, how you like what? How do I change the thing to it? So when I click a button, it would make it fly. Like, how do I do that?
I'm just being Speed.
No, Nathan, actually though. Like,
I have no idea what you're talking about.
okay, so Nathan. Okay, when
All you gotta do is put a lever down and all the thrusters will activate.
yeah, but here's the thing. I'll be inside the top of my head of the Mac, which I won't be able to control.
Put a lever in there.
No, because it actually has a reach limit.
You can use the wrench. It's pretty simple. And today, I will be basing Satchel, because I am Speed.
Even, how do I gotta do something to this? Like, how do I go? Like, Nathan, what is it? Like, how the heck do I make this be able to control it? Like, by clicking like a certain button, like T.
So what you want to do, you want to click on the button you want to use, and then you want to click on the thruster you want to change the control of, and then you hit T.
Wait, slow down. Say that again.
Okay, so what you want to do, you want to pull out your wrench tool. Click on your button. And click
Wait, which button? What button? Like, how do I? Which one do I click on?
Click on those.
Okay, so just click on it because it won't work.
Then it's not working. Then you can't do it with lever.
Oh, so how the heck do I?
I just put down a lever next to me because I put all the thrusters in my head. And when I want
No, Nathan.
I just be Speed.
No, like Nathan, because remember on that vehicle you did that typing thing.
Oh, I did it on jets and seats.
Oh, maybe I could just put those in under his feet. Maybe I could just do something like.
No, I did a seat and then some jets. That's what I used.
I know. I'm
Speed, Satchel.
What?
I'm a little too Speed.
Yeah, you think?
Too much speed. I must add more thrusters.
No, Nathan. Let's go opposite. You don't want to be too fast, Nathan.
You know what? I want to be Speed. Satchel, there's nothing you can do about me wanting to be Speed. I mean, will be Speed no matter how much you say not to.
Do not be Speed or I'll eat your throats in family.
I'm being Speed and I don't care.
So you don't care if you only escape with that?
I am the ultimate Speed. You cannot be ultimate Speed. He is too Speed.
Yes, I can.
You must hit me with a cannon to win.
I know.
A cannon to win.
I know. That's so easy, but the hard thing is that you're so fast. Slow down a bit, won't ya?
I'm gonna be. I am super speed today. I'm gonna be super speed. Okay, Satchel.
Okay.
Satchel, you're gonna love me. I am super speed. Super speed is my name.
Why isn't this charging my iPad?
Oh, because iPads don't charge. You know that?
Yes, they do.
Fine, you caught me. I was joking. Okay, Satchel.
What?
Do you want to see speed or what?
What?
Do you want to see speed or what?
I want to see no speed.
Speed!
I said no. Ah! They do not shoot my Mac though. Okay.
Okay, I need to flip the lever again, or I'm gonna waste all the Buster fuel. Satchel, I'm just a little baby Fabby, right? I'm just a little baby Fabby.
No, you're not. You're Super Saiyan now.
Speed!
Nathan, why must you have to do this to me, Nathan? Why?
Speed's not working right
now. Okay. So guys, if you guys hear any background noises, that's probably because of either my dad or somebody.
I am speed. I am super speed. I fly. By the way, okay, I got it. Speed. Okay, I'm gonna do space. Okay, I'm gonna go to space. Grabbies. Okay, load. I'm going to space, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Actually, I can go to space with you.
You're gonna come to space with me?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, man, child. Yes, I am. Why do you say thank you to me calling you a man child?
I'm going to space. Okay, so I gotta put some space thrusters on the nose, obviously. Gotta put some space thrusters on the face.
Why?
Obviously.
At least I could actually fly. At least I could fly, and it doesn't go that fast because I mean there's 2 of them. But I don't want it to have like 10 of them.
Hey, Satchel.
What?
Do you want to see my speedy flight?
No.
Satchel, do you want to see Speedy, Mr. Speedy flight?
No. The one thing I don't want to see you.
You want to see it? Oh my god, no one's ever agreed.
My feet just still come off. Oh my god, I'm actually flying!
Satchel, I'm going.
Okay. Do you not see me, Nathan?
Wait, what?
Okay, Nathan, I'll come back to you, okay? Come to me, Nathan.
Hey, I exist on Earth. Did you know that?
Yes, I did. Nathan, come, look at me.
Satchel, where are you? You're abandoned your legs.
Nathan, look.
Satchel.
What?
You want to come to space with me?
Yeah, but Nathan, watch how I'm gonna do it, Nathan. Look. Doesn't that kind of look cool?
Hey, Satchel, look how I go to space. The space I go, when you go to ice space.
These are my jetpacks, Nathan.
I think I'm in Glitchland.
I know, I'm not surprised.
Satchel, this is the quickest I can fly.
Nathan, you gotta save me here, okay? Nathan, you had to come down now.
Never! This is amazing! I'm flying! I told you, fatty.
Ah! My legs! My thrusters went out!
I always believed in fatty.
Press noise. You know what, Nathan? You might be taking a good idea. I need to add more thrusters.
I am gonna fly some even more if I can click onto my thrusters.
Well, don't worry about you, Nathan.
I'm gonna go.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to turn on my PvP mode.
Satchel, I'm gonna go even faster.
Okay, loading loudly, loading, yes.
Faster, Satchel.
What?
Ready? We're going to space.
Well, I tell you when I'm ready, okay, Nathan? I need to add a little bit more thrusters to mine. And when I mean a little bit, I mean like a couple, like a more.
I need a car seat. If I'm gonna go to space, I need a car seat.
Why?
So I can use my wrench.
Oh, maybe that's how you control them. Maybe.
Why am I stuck floating? Let me sit in my car seat. Okay, I need to play some thrusters now. Bam. Okay, I'm gonna go super fly mode.
Wait, Nathan, guess what?
What?
Are you ready to see me go super turbo fast?
Are you going to go to space with me?
Yes, Nathan, I am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Going to space with me is a pretty hard deal.
Oh, Nathan, don't worry. I have something, Nathan. Just in case something happens to me, to my things, I just want to let you know I'm probably going to harpoon you.
And I'm going nowhere.
Wait, Nathan, where are you?
I need to reload in this. Okay, I'm going Satchel. We're gonna bring in our inner speed, okay? We're gonna harpoon each other. We're both gonna activate our thrusters at the same time, okay?
Okay.
You need to activate inner speed.
Yes, but how? Nathan?
Okay, Satchel, are you ready to activate super speed?
Yes, I am.
I'm not ready. You need to add these, okay? You need to put the chair, okay? Do not use the stupid item. I'm recommending.
Okay, but Nathan, tell me when you're ready, because I'm ready to fly.
I'm not ready. I just need a little more, okay? You're gonna harpoon, by the way.
When first can I see how far I can fly?
Satchel, wait. We're gonna fly together.
I tell you when to go.
That's the best way to fly.
David, the active. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, activate. I don't need to.
Okay, fine. Satchel, you want me to come? I'm coming faster up.
Did you see you? Did you see me?
Not yet.
I might be farther than you.
Well, I just started going up, so.
Nathan.
Did I just see you?
I saw you.
I passed you.
I saw you, Nathan.
Satchel, we must go up together, okay?
Why?
Reset. We need as much power as we can get.
Hold on.
Should I buy the 5 very durable thrusters with power and fuel for 300 Robux? Should I get it?
By the what?
Should I buy 5 thrusters for 300 Robux?
Mm-hmm.
So we can go to space even faster? Or is it just a waste of money?
No, let's go to space even faster.
I'm not gonna buy it, definitely. I'm definitely not gonna buy it.
And I bet you're gonna buy it, Nathan. Stop lying.
If I get more Robux, I will.
Is that so?
Mm-hmm. Okay, Satchel, I'm almost ready to go to space.
Me too.
Just had to add the thrusters, okay? And I'm ready to go to space with you. Harpoon me, and we're gonna go to space together, okay?
Why? Because I can also fly myself.
No, we're gonna go to together so we can have extra thruster power. Quick, come, Satchel.
Well, I need to activate to take off the bottom pieces.
Okay, I accidentally activated the lever. Oopsies.
Just deactivate it. Did you deactivate it? If you better say.
Okay.
But don't worry, David.
Okay, so we are speed, and we're gonna be speed together, right?
Okay, I feel the people are like, when is the battle go? Oh, David, no, it was battle instead.
No, let's become.
No, David, we have the battle. Like, okay, fine. After this, then we have the battle because my video's about to end.
Then restart it. Okay, let's just quickly battle, and then we can.
Yes, but how the heck do you collide them?
Wait, what?
How you collide your videos into one humongous video?
Then just let's just quickly battle, okay? Let's do it quick.
But let's keep it popping up, and I don't like it.
I'm almost ready, okay?
Well, you guys have been watching, and yes, I am not going to scam you guys over because it was going actually. I kind of forgot.
Satchel.
What?
Turn on your PC. Satchel, are you going to space?
Ah, take it! No, take it! Take it! Take it!
Are you going to space right now?
Yeah. I activated too. Ah! My leg! Do you see my leg, David?
Should I come to space with you?
No, don't you dare go to base. No, what, Nathan? I'm gonna fight you with my kaiju. You cannot use speed though, Nathan, okay? Number 1 rule, no speed allowed.
I don't have any speed. All I have is this.
No flying allowed because I can't fly. I mean, unless I harpoon you. Okay, yeah, actually, yeah, you can fly, but I have to harpoon. But you have to let me be able to harpoon you when I say I want to harpoon you. Actually, no.